Bipin Debbarma, candidate for Demcherra-Kachucherra constituency, spent his Saturday morning in an intensive door-to-door campaign at Sikurbari's 19 number booth area.
भारत माता की भारत माता
As the temperature rises in a TD-ADC electoral race, candidates across the state are leaving nothing to chance, shifting their focus from massive rallies to intimate grassroots connections. In the Demcherra-Kachucherra constituency, BJP candidate Bipin Debbarma led an intensive door-to-door campaign this Saturday, focusing his efforts on the crucial Sikurbari area under booth number 19. During the visit, the candidate met with local families to discuss their concerns and outline his vision for the constituency. Supporters gathered in significant numbers as the campaign continues to gain momentum ahead of the upcoming polls. BJP candidate Bipin Debbarma took the opportunity to address recent remarks made by MDC Director Debbarma.
Abo naidi, jeta monok ka social media madhyome moni kothoko signature nang copy phana khlai ga hangka te kicha boi ko boi phana wan sukamo aro ABP ni spelling bo mistake aro borok je type khaibe mane ba je phana editing khai kana bote kicha ka hamka ABP ni class nahayon kamo to ani signature bo jaga totally fake ani signature to amtei buya ar norok sobse nanya je a jaga je signature jakha o signature na borok kono na kono jaga hoyto copy khanya nai mane na malia color bo aro thik bhabe bo jaga rekha sabono rekha kono seal kore kono kichu aro tam submission of memorandum tam jan sigang nokha to dhiren babuni je chalak chottor bhautabaji bo je ekjon nimnomani borok bukhawan sungmani sitra borok abo proman ongkha to ang obono sanai dhiren babu rajniti khlai di omahai bhautabaji fake khlainai amahai fake hingkai onek kichu no saimano ang saiman dhiren babu nung supari bagani supari thokjago সময় ফাইকে নং কোয়াই গাহাম কান চাই মানাই তাওয়ান চুকদি সুপারি বাগাননি যে সুপারি মানে কোয়াইছানানি ন সিমনো গাহাম কাই চারো ন সুপারি বাগানো নন সুপারি না সিমলা
With all leaders now actively engaging in a war of words alongside their ground-level campaigns, the political climate is reaching a boiling point in Tripura. The ultimate verdict, however, will only be revealed when the results are announced on April 17.
Pramatan to nanya ke passport so CPM no nanya ke suno
kan perali teman bagai nang si chona kam ka nai ko ni bagai jam din tono
are tum phama duran nai tere
ayo kitu ang loge ro maya ko thai ang onek BJP khai ko sak manja ani bakhaw
Reported by Amit from Sikurbari, Chini Khorang.